Hi, this is Casey from Casey Grandpa Tech, where your geeky grandpa talks tech, travel, and much more. Hey, listen, I want to talk to you about some rogue Android apps that have been uncovered that are stealing and emptying people's bank accounts. So, before we get started, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And this month specifically, because it's December, if you could hit that subscribe button, that would be counting on it, because I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. So be one of those ones that does that for me. All right, let's get to it right now. You know, I've heard a lot about Windows 11. And you say, well, what does Windows 11 have to do with all this? It has to do with it because Windows 11 now allows you to run some Android apps on your PC. At the same time, the Android store has been overwhelmed with rogue apps that appear initially to be safe, but are not safe. What am I talking about? We're talking about apps that you install. They appear correct. Android checks them, they're good and everything else. But when you go to update them, they start to load malware into your phone. How bad is it? That Google predicts that almost 17% of the Google apps or the Android apps are infected with some type of malware or data mining information. How bad is it? Well, so bad that 300,000 Android subscribers have had in their bank accounts opened, their information stolen. That's bad. So what can you do about it? Let's get into that. Now, the one thing, of course, you can do is make sure that you did download it from the Google Play Store. The second thing you can do is to download some type of antivirus. And there are many types. I happen to personally use WebRoot on my phone, and it's a paid service, and it checks for rogue malware changes. But there's a lot of these going out, and the problem with all of them is that they initially start off as a nice app. They work, they do everything they're supposed to do until the update, and that's when you have a problem. The next thing is, if you're going to do any banking or any information online, you don't want to leave the password stored on the phone. That's right there. I mean, that's a big problem. Now, is it going to become a greater problem? You better believe it. When we start seeing Android apps running on Windows 11, this is going to become major news, because you've got the Android market, which is, according to their own statistics, that almost 17% of the apps have some type of malware or data mining problems. And they don't start off to be bad initially, but they do. So on the description, I'm going to leave you a ton of references of all the apps that have been removed from the Google Store. But a lot of people, they don't go to the Google Store, they go somewhere else. You get on that Facebook and you see this app. Oh, this one will allow you to do this, or this one will allow you to do that. And they download it to their phone. Well, not only is that insanity just by doing it, but the other thing is, you don't have anybody who's checked that app to make sure that it's safe. It's sort of like buying on Facebook, which is another video unto itself. But let me tell you something. Right now, buying on Facebook, there is no protection. There are so many fake ads, fake things going on Facebook and on YouTube that you can get burned right away. So if you're going to do anything online, buying anything online, I would suggest using a major credit card that you can get your money back. The other thing, or if you're going to use some type of banking card, that it has an extreme limit. Like what I do is on my banking card, all of my cards, I have a preset spending limit. So if somebody tries to buy something for over a certain amount, like $100, it immediately notifies me, did you make this purchase? So if one of these apps get in there and try to, empty your bank account or notify you, you'll be notified. Anyway, again, I'm going to leave in the description all of these lists of the current known apps that are having a problem, that they have been deleted from the Google Store. And until next time, this is Casey from Casey Grandpa Tech. I hope this has been helpful for you. Don't forget that this month I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. So please subscribe, please like, please share. And thanks so much and have a great holiday.